People are buying up homes and they're clear cutting it without any knowledge of what is on that city lot. Having that loss of foliage is affecting our microclimate.
One of the big issues with losing trees, you've got more flooding. Trees capture 60 times more water than lawns do.
It's been wonderful. Some of the educational material that people have been given to be prepared so that these trees have a chance of growing and actually making a difference. SageSure has been such a powerful partner. This is just another example of what they want to do in Baldwin County.
We're not just writing a policy and moving on. It shows that even in areas where we may not have an office or a huge presence, we care about the agents, we care about the communities.
But I love what y'all are doing. This is amazing.
When you have a little bit of green area, it makes it look, more friendly, and, people want to get out and about and walk and take pictures with their family.
I feel like this is a good way to, bring new life